All right, you're welcome back to Dynamatics Digital Academy, and today we shall be looking at logarithmic equation. Under this, we are given a question. Solve the equation log to base 10 of s squared minus 3s plus 12 equals to 1. And this can also be read as log s squared minus 3s plus 12 base 10 equals 1. Okay, now how do we solve this? This particular topic will eventually lead us to quadratic equation. That is, by the time we do this exercise as follow: log s squared minus 3s plus 12 base 10 equals to 1. The 1 here simply means that we are working to base 10, which means, remember, in our logarithm that log 10 base 10 equals to 1. Okay, the same thing that happened here would be the case here. That is, we are going to have log s squared minus 3s plus 12 base 10 equals to log 10 base 10. Okay, so what do we do next here? Of course, we are going to remove the logarithm to base so that we will have s squared minus 3x plus 12 equals to 10. That is, this has been eliminated by this. So we are now left with s squared minus 3s plus 12 equals 10. Okay, now this is a quadratic equation. Now we bring this 10 here in as s squared minus 3s plus 12 minus 10 equals to 0. That is by subtracting 10 from both sides. We subtract 10 here, we are left with 0. We subtract 10 here, that's why we have it here as s squared minus 3s plus. Now 12 minus 10 will give us 2 equals to 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation by multiplying the first term here and the last term here together to have s squared times 2, which will give us 2s squared. Now we now look for certain numbers that when we multiply them together they will give us 2s squared, and when we add them together they will sum to minus 3x, and that will be minus x minus 2x. Minus s minus 2s will give us minus 3x, and minus s times minus 2s will give us plus 2s squared. So we will now use this one here in place of minus 3s as s squared minus x minus 2x then plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now this s squared minus x, we group them together the same way we are going to group these two together to have x into brackets x minus 1 then minus 2 into brackets x minus 1 equals to 0. X times x will give us s squared. X times minus 1 will give us minus x. Then minus 2 times x will give us minus 2x. That is what we have here. Then minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2. As minus times minus will give us plus. Then 2 times 1, 2. So since what we have here and here is the same, so we just bring these two together as x minus 2, then x minus 1, then everything equals to 0. So from here we can either say that either x minus 2 equals to 0, x minus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. So from x minus 2 equals to 0, you can easily say that s equals to 2. And from s minus 1 equals to 0, you can easily say that therefore s equals to 1. So therefore our values of x, hence s either equals to 1 or 2, which is the end of this logarithmic equation. And please, in case you have any question concerning this particular topic or any other mathematics that you are facing one or two challenge in, please kindly post your observation in the comment section, so I will make sure I reply you immediately. Thank you for watching.